Welcome, this is Santiago Avila from BMW Gallery. I am the product genius, and today I want to show you how to fix any connection issues you may have between the phone and the car. So there are three main connections that most people need. The first one is Apple CarPlay. If you have an Apple phone, you can connect to Apple CarPlay on a BMW. The second one is BMW Connected app. There is an app you can download on the phone, and that also would need to connect to the car. The third one is going to be normal Bluetooth. A small amount of customers have issues with this kind of connections between the phone and the car. So today what I want to show you is how to fix that. It takes probably about 2 minutes and then you guys should be good to go. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to start the engine. We need to make sure the engine has been running for about 1 minute or so. Make sure the engine is running for the whole time. Now what I want you to do is to press and hold the volume knob. Is the button right here. We have to hold it until the screen goes black. And once it goes black, you hold it for about 2 or 5 more seconds. As you can see the screen in black, that's what we want. You hold it for about 2 more seconds, now you let go. We have to give it maybe 1 minute. The screen is going to lit up once again, which is exactly what we want. Give it then 2 more minutes for the whole system to reboot, for everything to load. As you can see, it's starting the navigation system. This is normal. Don't freak out if this is what shows up. We wait until this goes away, and I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, now the car is mostly done. I'm going to go down into apps. You can either rotate with the controller right in the center console, or you can use your fingers. For the sake of the video, I'll use the rotation so you guys can see it better. I'm gonna press down on apps. Now we're gonna go into styled apps, and instead of pressing the big circle right in the middle, we press the options button, which is right below it. So as you can see right now, it says update apps and services. And as you can see, it's not white, which means we can't interact with it, but now it's in gray. So what we need to do is we need to just give it more time. Once this is done, as you can see, it says update apps and services. Now that it says update app and services, you can go ahead and press that button right there. It says transference data. Exactly what we want. Takes a few seconds and that should be it. Okay, now as you can see, it says apps and services updated. That's exactly what we want. What I'll do now is I'll go ahead and press close. And there you go. Any connection issues that you had, they are non-existent anymore thanks to this method. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any more questions. I am here to help you. Once again, I work in BMW Gallery. You can come in, ask for my name, Santiago, and I'll be able to help you out. If you have any more questions, you can also leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to get back to you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.